Alright, gentlemen, hopefully everyone's having a good start to their weekend here. I know I am. Got a fun one for you guys here today. Just got a new package from Levi's. Never been that big of a fan, I've realized lately. The quality for me seems like it's been going downhill, but the price has been going up. Years ago, I loved Levi's, swore by it. That was back when it was, $30, $35. You can get yourself a good pair of denim jeans that'll last you for years and years. I'm rough on my pants, especially my jeans. I use them as a tool. I'm out working in them. And for me, it just seemed like they just, I don't know, they stretched out quick, the knees wore out, they washed bad, they always came out wrinkled, the waistband was always just a mess, tattered. It didn't matter if you ironed it out or anything, it just always looked bad. Lo and behold, I discovered these. I'm gonna try to get them on camera for you guys. These are, believe it or not, Dickies jeans, and for the price, they're $29. These are real thick, heavy denim. The only thing bad about these is, I guess, the legs. They're meant to be worn with boots, so I understand why they are roomy. They're a work pant. They're not meant to be, a tight boot cut by any means, like our millennial friends wear. So I understand the cut, but I want something that's going to last me. That's thick, durable, that heavy, raw, rugged denim. And I know if I want to go out and spend $300 on a good quality pair of raw, rugged denim jeans, I could do it. For me, it's just dollars and cents. It doesn't make sense for me. I'm not a fashion person. I'd rather go out and buy a couple pairs of these Dickies for $30, and if they wear out a couple times a year, then so be it. But Levi's, we'll see if they get better. I still do have my Levi's trucker jacket. I do like that, but again, it doesn't go through the rigor and wear of a work jean. But anyways, enough chatting. Let's see what Levi sent me today, if I can give him a second chance. You can see it's still in the bag, and let's do a fun unbagging here, guys. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, speaking of workwear from Levi's, can we say that again? I know the dungaree, that is the epitome of Levi Strauss. That's what Levi is. It's a dungaree. But yeah, this is a Levi's apron. This is great for me. I'm bad with everything I do. I'm very messy. I'm spilling paint on me, oil on me, and whatnot. So thank you, Levi's, for probably, how much is this? Yeah, retail $55. A beautiful piece of denim that's meant to be dirty, meant to get worn and abused. It's gonna feel, thank you, Levi's, but it's gonna feel weird making this all dirty and ragged. But yeah, let's unbox it here, and let's see what we have here from Levi's apron. Gentlemen, this is the Levi's I used to know. The quality here is fantastic. Just a beautiful piece of thick, rugged denim. It's not raw denim, but it's not, you know what I mean. It's that thin, stretchy. It's like that, was that Lululemon that girls used to wear 5 years ago? It was like that fake jeans that like stretch, that spandex stuff. Lululemon, Pokemon, you know what I'm talking about. Whatever. But yeah, this is beautiful. And I'll try this on here, guys. I'll do a little modeling for you, but just want to do some close-ups. I mean, look at, we have that stitching, that we're all accustomed to, that we all know. And let's see if the camera could focus on it. It's probably going to focus on my face. But yeah, look at the quality of that stitching. We have the rivets and heavy wear spots. Where we don't have the rivets, where this meets that. I mean, just look at that. I mean, that's not going to go anywhere, gentlemen. Yeah, good quality piece of fabric here. Like I said, it's going to pain me to wear this when I'm doing oil changes, or I'm painting, or doing whatever, just to get this dirty. But it's meant to do that. I mean, it's like those big pickup trucks today that you see around. They're $80,000 pickup trucks. They're beautiful, and you never see guys taking them off road. You never see guys with them at Home Depot. They're always parked in the Walmart parking lot as a grocery getter. So is this your grocery getter of aprons? It's not gonna be, I promise you. This will be worn and abused and loved. It's not gonna be babied by any means. But let's try this on. See how it even fits. I'm 6 foot, 180-ish, I think. So yeah, I'll model it and let you guys know how it looks, and I'll leave you a link and let you guys know what I think. Hold on. All right, gentlemen, what do you think? I got it on. Fits fantastic. It's got 2 points here. One goes over the neck here, and 2 just a simple tie in the back. It's your standard apron, but it's fantastic. The fit and finish, I think, is great. You have 2 pockets down here. Hopefully you can see on camera. And also up top, you have your traditional one for your pen and pencil, and just another Levi's butt pocket right up here. But yeah, I think it's great. I mean, it wasn't cheap with the qualities there. It's a great piece of denim. Hey, it's slimming too. Look at that. But yeah, I'm happy. Thank you, Levi's. This is going to be a great addition to my collection here, and hopefully keep my other clothes clean. I usually wear my overalls, my beautiful $25 overalls. So I'm glad I'm protecting $25 overalls with a very nice piece of Levi's. So hope you guys like the video. If you do, leave a comment if you wish, and hit that subscribe button. Fun fact, last fact to leave you with, 99.4% of you guys are watching these but are not subscribed. So hit that subscription button so we can go ahead and do more fun videos like this, and we'll catch you next time.